Hello, in this video I'm going to explain the first point of the unit functions. We call this point the coordinate plane or coordinate axis. The coordinate plane is formed by two perpendicular lines that I'm going to make now. Okay, so we have two perpendicular straight lines, and the horizontal straight line is called x-axis, and the vertical straight line is called y-axis. And at the center we have the origin. Okay, origin. The four lines divide the space into four quadrants. So up here to the right we have the first quadrant. If we go to the left, we will find the second quadrant. Below, the third quadrant. And finally, the fourth quadrant. Okay? Well, so we are going to use this coordinate plane to represent points, to represent points. So I'm going to clean this. I'm going to make another coordinate plane, and I will show you how to represent points. Okay. So on this coordinate plane, we have to divide the two lines into different equal parts, and these equal parts will represent numbers. So if we go on the horizontal axis, the x-axis, we go to the right, we'll have positive numbers. Five, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. If we go to the left, we find negative numbers. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So if we go to the left, we find negative numbers. The same for the y-axis. If we go up, we have positive numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if we go down, we have negative numbers. Right. So I'm not going to write the numbers because it's a little confusing. Okay. So I'm not going to do this 1, 2, 3 because it can be confusing. Okay. Right. So let's see how to represent a point on this coordinate plane. So to do that, we are going to see the definition of coordinates. The coordinates are formed by two numbers, a pair of numbers, for example, the 4, 3, right? And these two numbers are separated by a comma, and at the end and at the beginning we have brackets, we have parentheses, right? The first number is the x-coordinate, and the second number is the y-coordinate. So this is going to show you how to represent the coordinates on the coordinate plane. Right. So let's see the first number, the 4. We are going to look for this number, the 4, on the x-axis. So the 4, positive 4, okay, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, right? So I'm going to make a vertical discontinuous line going through the 4, right? And then I have to look for the y coordinate, okay, the y coordinate, that is 3. Number 3 is a positive number, so is up. So we have 1, 2, 3, and we are going to make a discontinuous horizontal straight line, right? And at the intersection of these two discontinuous lines, we have a point. This point is the 4, 3. Do you understand this? Well, let's see another point with negative numbers. Right. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to change the color. So the first number is the x coordinate. So I have to look for the negative 2. The negative 2 is on the left side here, okay? So negative 2 is here. So I'm going to make a vertical discontinuous line. And then I have to look for the minus 3 on the y-axis. The minus 3 is down here, okay? So I make the line up to the intersection, okay? So here I have the minus 2, 3. Right. If you are now confident, you can look for the number, the point directly. For example, you have to represent the point 3 minus 5. You go to the 3, mark the 3. The minus 5 is below. The minus 5 is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 is here. So you can make the two lines directly and make the intersection. So this point is f3 minus 5. Cool. So now to finish this video, I'm going to tell you that the x coordinate is also called abscissa, and the y coordinate is also called ordinate. Right, this is everything. Bye bye.